Hey babes, today's video is a glitter ombre and I will be using triple vitamin base and Sparkle & Co's Icicle eyes. The brush I'll be using for this video is from It Cosmetics. It's a dense crease brush and this will help me pick up more glitter. So I'm just picking up the glitter and tapping it on. This part's pretty easy. You just have to make sure you don't tap the glitter too far down on your nail. I like to have my nail pointed upward a little bit so that the glitter falls down naturally. I'm going to pat down the glitter with my finger, and this is going to ensure that no pieces of glitter are going to be sticking up. So now I'm going to be taking my base brush and placing some of those bigger pieces of glitter. I like to use my base brush because you can easily move them around if you don't like the spot you originally placed them in. I feel like that happens to me all the time and I'm like, I don't like that. So the base brush is easy to use. Going to be encapsulating with Revel's Vivian, and I'll be dipping into this twice and then we'll activate. I'll be filing off camera with my Tropical Shine 180 grit file, and then we will apply top coat, and that will be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!